All right, so it's about 5:30ish on a Tuesday, and we're gonna pull Dave's car out to get a better look at it out into the beautiful sunshine. Look at that. It's a real nice day. Oh, one wheeling. Wonder what she's up to, or who that even is. Anyway, we're gonna pull Dave's car out and get some good pictures, and maybe a quick video of it. And that just about wraps up the day. About 6:30 or so, throw Dave's car back in the shop and get to go the heck home. All right, if you like that video, give this video a like and a subscribe, and we'll keep the content coming. Remember, get out there to create something today, even if it sucks. Peace.